Hi, my name is Ana Catalina, English 4, Tax 4, Life Through the Metaphors. I choose the story and metaphor of my partner Geraldine Wapacha. She chose the metaphor all the words at stage and all the men and women are merely players. They have their exits and their entrances. William Shakespeare. Okay, my opinion on the metaphors is everyone's life is their own stage. You are the protagonist of your life and the creator of your own story. Within it, you can play various roles, but you can also contribute, be playing a secondary role in someone else's life. And that is why that we must be responsible with the decisions we make. A life is not a movie scene that you can repeat if you make a mistake without worrying any consequence. Okay, my opinion on the story uh, of my partner Geraldine is my respects to my partner Gerald to have the love, trust, and decision to be who she is, to make her decisions as a woman, wife, and mother is a good example of the metaphor she chose. And my opinion use of the past tense, and Geraldine good use of the past tense of the verb to be and the past simple. And three tips from experience. One, keep being the woman you are. Two, trust your abilities and qualities as a woman. And three, keep studying and improving yourself for you and your family. And finally, a lesson from the experience. We must be the protagonists of our lives and have the confidence in ourselves to take the path that we choose. To be the directors and writers of the book of our lives. Thank you.